men ma fi grush oman ga de praj nuzwan katir. You had too many complain, but not that Junubin nuzwan that Junubin mamurtain kulukul. To the point that galuman bom chile Nigeria. Galuman bom chile rujal vra Nigeria nuzwan. Just imagine. That's rujal Junubin. We are not good in bed. I don't know about it. We are not good. That's what they're saying. They are kalam nuzwan da Junubin mugol that rujal Junubin del kulumu they are not good in bed. Uman ma kwez bisrir. That we are not romantic. That's a no maga rabayal batana. That we don't know how to make money. That we are good for nothing. Talga bit ga rekori. Gilib butai kasaro. Rajil butai gam. Kala ana mayal. He married another woman. Mashi mamaratani. Asa mashkala da bai look at. Mashkala batan is one day bai look at. How can we solve this problem? Nana mashkala da bigger too much. It is too much. Now they're marrying Nigerian. Why is one Junubin Mubarak Nigerian da Aramin? Nigerian da Aramin. Nigeria was Bakul Gruj Betak. Bogulek Kedef. Lakin Nigeria basara guruji kulu. Nigeria will never make you happy. Ata hukuma ta America. Hukuma ta America got to come in Nigerian. Leave alone Mara Janubi. You should be afraid of Nigerian men. Nigerian men are criminal. Criminal. Nigerian men will lie to you. Taba Maloa Warak, Taba Maloa Ajad Kulu, not knowing. Ubeshil Guruj Bidak. And then Nigeria, you know, Marabatao to Nigeria. Nigeria will never marry Bita Janubi Loma for interest. Go. Nigeria will never marry Bit Janubi Loma for interest. Leave alone as a single mom, but I Janubi woman got a friend in Nigeria. Single mom, come on. To be safe, Rigel without Janubi. And you think Nigeria will conquest. Nigeria will love you. Nigeria will have sex with you. Nigeria will be a kolo. What you don't know that Nigerian there, Junubin there, well, we good. I know Rujal da Junub there. We 10 times better than Nigerian men. Yeah, maybe Junubin Katir, they're not good in bed. Fisarir Junubin Marquess. Rujal Katir Fisarir Marquess. It is true. That's Rajil Bukut Fisarir, or all they know is to make baby. And babies take only 2 minutes, 3 minutes, you make baby. Lakin ashan Junubi kun romantic. Rajil Junubi kun romantic. O yakun tisirir mamara be sao nus, demina saab. Demina saab talga Rajil Junubi munum mamara be sao nus. Yeah, we know with the department are set, Junubin are better weak. Men are better weak with the department are set. All we know, it is tradition. We adapted Ajat Adaman. Ajat grandfather te bukujua mamara naar bagfelu no mamara bad dagiga wa talada daga mara bata biga no jana ita bala ba fella bi joye la mara bata biga amlan ana rajil lo mara bata biga amlan ita biga rajil class. That all they won long time ago. Mara bata ita amalo ita ba amal lungara bi joye la ana biga rajil ana I'm a man. But now they nuzwan madar kalam de. No one wants to have sex for 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. Oh, Nick de Mafi, Junubin Mabarabu. But one thing remain. Anona Rujal Junubina, they have respect to women. Lozol Shakal Mamara, family Batak will intervene. Family Tamara de, or family Batak Baji Bakalam, or Kalam Nebe Elo, Gabal Maya Kun Batal. Lakin when you go with Nigeria, maybe Nigeria will have sex with you. Nigeria, they're not going to need. Laro major Masada, Nigeria, they major. So he will do anything. Ata lo ishil dawa zaro. Nigeria be sharab dawa achan nik mara tamam gade achan shil grujek achan shil grujek bas taba malo awarak taba jelo green card taba jibu fi America taba jibu fi Canada taba jibu fi Australia bane in the end Nigeria be shil gruj bata do kulu basrat gruj bata do kulu wi taba dal ta gar ko fi America ine de o ismal machi ma Nigeria de that's not a real name ده كذب كله اسم الماجي من نيجيريا ما اسمه ده أصلي أمجي go to US department لو في ناس كراو في دون هنا في نيجيريا they are criminal وهذا جنوبين نسوان بتاع جنوبين you go to Nigeria man that's they are the second option لأن رجال جنوبين أنا ما كويسين we married a lot of women we chase women we prostitute ourselves. We do not keep one woman. We don't know how to say I love you. That another Genovin, we don't know how to say I love you. I love you. Another mabuduk jabat tamara. So we are not romantic. Nigeria gadaba jabat batak with fi amam de they also request. Really. Kalam boyfriend Kalam al boyfriend banat got a core lele kulu crying everywhere. Wallahi gilibita kasaro. The munu gale kam she my boyfriend. Who told you that tamche no my boyfriend? Tabar boyfriend the munu. The munu gale kum gal fiaja banaru boyfriend. Al bazoy zol. Boyfriend the mazol brazoj. Boyfriend de uder gruj bitak der negita ubamshi. Lo na ma kalas bam che go le na da nin ga la na no mabide wa na mabida well he will call out names that's ana na ma Angelina ana na ma filan ba wona zita bam che wona sai mal ala na nekta filan wa na nekta filan wa na nekta bidda wa na nekta bidda lana he's not a man material, he's not a husband material. Boyfriend there's all saka taban. That's why figanun da junubin mafia banado boyfriend bana de doa jofi straight to marriage. Bit ma bono marajil gabal zoaj. That's why not that the man de zojuman kulu banata the man de zojuman banan bata etis sentamaninat mafi bit fitamaninat mashi barau single mom mafi zojuman le zoju nuzwande kulu banada fitamaninat sabayinat sittinat zojuman le lana kan fiya da banado zoj bas mafi boyfriend lakin ale later bam the next boyfriend tam the next my boyfriend and you expect another junubi but fa bagar sudur bata de kalat gad kede sudur bata gam da ga kan le grunda bagar da danga bata bor you see kalam ji shub gurun bata danga bor bagar da danga bor woman wa gibin zede. When you was a virgin, sudur bata kan wagib zede. Dan ni te bada nek, ite gade nek kulu, ite gade nek dune kulu, ite gade nek boyfriend, my boyfriend, oh kasar, boyfriend ta weno. Where's your boyfriend? Wallahi zole kasar gilib batai. Now you drop this one boyfriend. Te make you live my boyfriend tane, negu ita tane. Sudur bata da ma chetet kulmayom, sudur bata da ma chetet. But my tutur bita biga taban bit junub nagalam kulu you fuck the entire nation. Yele tujila na de toroko ingala lazim zojwana. Get the fuck out of here, idiot. Demunu gala ungalamle. Who told you that? That majok dan kawe but for me beggar the kalam tutur ramal de that tulugul. Who told you that? Huh? But not that you have no shame, eh? You have no shame, kolokol. You mind that for the kolokol. You will fuck the entire nation. The benek alam kulu, but it's my boyfriend. The bomb should make Mazola. Well, my boyfriend, he love me. He love Benigita Kulmayom. Ela Gadaba Sudur Batak. You don't ask one question. Such man al Gadaba Sudur Batak. Beji Bagger al Bazoida, Bechilita Pepet Toman. Mafi. So it imagine Mazol knowing that. Zole ma bazojita kulukul te bede kuzla zole ma bazojita da marajil kulukul Ila bukra zole, you will learn in a hard way, motherfucker, that zole mara. Zole begin to mara, gadamulu zoj bitaw. O sharmuda liza love with your ella got British boyfriend. Zol ta umbara kan gadi ni kita de, asa gadi zoj mara, bigger rajil tabet. Well respected young man fi community bitaw. Uite yam da de na uite bakasara but ita liza love with your ella got a British boyfriend. Now boyfriend da maji bigger responsible man jabula mara fi family bitaw. Now ita maji le neck boyfriend wani. Asa ita legit wallahi you know what? Well, it is so cute. It's so cute. I find another boyfriend. I hope you're not gonna break my fucking heart. You got a boyfriend. Okay, you got a fucking boyfriend. And then not much of the well. Where I will go? Well, I know my shin hotel. I know my shin hotel. Banado down there. Ren Bogoli, you know, hotel, you know, down there. Redison Hotel for Juba. Redison Hotel for Nairobi, Redison Hotel for Uganda, Redison Hotel, I don't know, Kadita Jew and I, Yellow Kura, but talk with us. Ayo! Outside the Kalam Tamanga. You making a noise, you fucking. Ayo! I. 2 days later, motherfucker got a call. Ayo, he broke my heart. Zola Fata, and come on, Dola Fat Mal, mind it is a good. Mind it is a good, mind the Sharmoda, mind it is it. Who told you that Sharmoda into it? My garden is good of a grush. Garden is good of a grush. So it ain't Sharmoda mind it is it. Ayo, well, I Zola Fat, come on. Zole bigger, or by the bigger the one, or my jokes are like danga, there's a woman, a walata danga, I can't go a walata danga, the woman has and Manawalata chulo, Taraman Rujal Kulusawa. And now you got a shit Rujal Kulusawa. Rujal Kulusawa, gal to you a woman, a calab, column, all of them are dog, motherfucker, they cooler dog. As I eat a bigger bakra nas, the Mitchell of attack. Sharmoda bigger bakra nas, the Mitchell of attack. Sharmoda Elizabeth Berabu, Benik Alam Kulu. Sharmota Elizabeth Berabu, Benik Alam Kulu, Tudur Batak, bigger mighty tired, huh? Without shame, Budun Fadi, Korak. He broke my heart. They could have just without it. For 2022, he broke another. Come Rujal, come boyfriend. Al Kasar Gilib Batak for 2022. 20. The Mashara. They Shirin Awalat Kasar Gilibutak for 2022. Mazo Juta, Neguita de Ishirin Rujal Nagita. For 2023, another 13, break your heart. For 2024, another 50. For 2025, another 15. As for 2026, it's there the biggest well a time if you belly the knock. All well a time Shagal for Alaska, you know, Guru, all well a time God for America, all God for Canada, it's a man of the bit tamam, bit mutarum, be Facebook, if he messenger it got a column tamam, as an Zojita. UN is Zoju. It's a amal nafs of UN, the book some kuslan Kulu. And you expect an honor, Niji in Zojita. Nadal Mutaramin, Niji in amal not for beggar. The Munugala dinner gala nana, Fizzle Bumpy soup, baby, gumai charap bede. The Munugalakum. Who told you that you will go to souk, you will go to mall and buy some used clothes? The Munugalakum, a liwara, got a bill. So now it is let's a beggar. I shall a beggar when you look, the Latin beggar when where Lade Tamke le Bargadal, the Rumbag, comes to me a beggar. Gwen Yedicane. Ulo, it's a mazo, it's a class, it's there, the Carabasam, Madana, it's a match in Nigeria, it's a match when, well, you know, when the Lama Quasin, or they are not romantic. Lo, if we are not romantic, the Munu will edit a cosum. The Munu will edit. It's a wagam in fact, my nana, your name, Makuita will do. If we are not romantic, will edit a guess. Junub de 10 million people. I share 1 million people to 11 million. The Munu will do Madan on it. The Munu will do the Makawaja. The Marab. The Junubin will do. We are not romantic case. No. It is your mother was. Inti your mother, but there is Nikalam Kulu, there is Zojuta. No, she like the white. شيل هذا واحد يا motherfucker. شيل هذا واحد. شيل نيك عشان تكون شرموطة او شيل زوج عشان تكون مرة تعبان وكلام ده ما ده له كلام كتير انا قايل ربع. شيل هذا واحد بس من هنا جات تنيك علم ده كله يا علم ده يا باج تدرك يا باج جنيدك ويا باج يا وتقول شرموطة كده ما يزوجيتها وتقول قوت شرامي ده من في أمريكا هنا ده ومن ما قاعد يتكلم كلام زوج أو family أو كذا ما في ده for sex بس شغل بتاعهم ده sex pay fuck go pay fuck go pay fuck go pay fuck go نت أدفع قروش بتاعك وامشي يلا ومن مرتاحين في أمريكا they don't cry oh he broke my heart no لان ده شرم ده شغل بتاعهم لكن شوف شرامي بتاع جنوب السودان ده هنكم قوي إن علم إني كده كله you fuck the entire nation and you want to become a wife in my family بتاعنا knowing that umbari تنام موبج umbari تنام موبج أول umbari كان قاعد نلعب مع Sunday أنا بعرف شنو ده كله ناقيته and you want to talk garbage that's another رجال يوم كويسين that أنا رجال تا جنوبين أنا يوم كويسين no get the fuck out of here get the fuck out of here idiot don't get the fuck out of here you talking garbage you don't know what the fuck you talking about ترم شيل حاجة واحد إذا تكون شرموطة إني قلت كل ما يوم يبغى صدر بتاعك in the name of boyfriend and girlfriend or تسيب boyfriend وتقعد كاي بنت ماما ويزوجتها تكون مرة في بيت لأن لو يتسيب نيك كتير راوده صدر بتاعك ده بجيف ما بقى وبقى ده بجيب بكلام صدر people will come looking for you بكلام صدر لأن يزول بيجيب حاجة جديد ما في زول بيجيب حاجة كربان ده يجي في بيت بتاعي أنا قاعد نيك بكور قاعد نيك بكور دكان ده بس أصلي تبقر يا مر يا بدي تبقر قاعد تدقوا ببكور أدي شنو قاعد ماما بتاعي ما دقة بكور grandmother بتاعي ما دقة بكور ده شنو نيجي قاعد تدقوا بكور ما تزف بتاعنا تعالين تمشي تنيك ناس وتجي تدق بكور وأنا بنيك بكور كل ما يوم يجي تاو مان لا get the fuck out of here idiot تجي تعمل بكور كل ما يوم في بيت عشان كذا يكون صغير كذا العالم ناقو كله ده بيجا بار بس سو هسه انت قاعد في بكور كل ما يوم من ما ده الزب بتاعي ده وايا اي وده كده flying motherfucker you are a criminal في criminal قاعد يكوري ده كم زب ده زب انت ما شعب ده زب كبير زب صغير زب اسود زب امر إلا now you killing me بس أنا قاعد في دار بجون دي أنا دول قوي أنا نيك مرة ده ومرة ده قاعد يكوري وين she's just pretending مرة ده نعلم ده كله the entire nation ده ناقو كله why do you think صدر بتاع واقف ده صدر كان واقف ده جرون ده ينقبور بيجا ماشي تاير كده لا ما ده الرجال كله النيك ده بمشي وين ما أولاد ده no we are well trained في بيوت بتاعنا عندنا رول واحد في جنوب السودان رول تاع بابا ورول لا أنا ما بكسره that's I must be respectful to myself and I will have to become a good husband وبقر الفتفاو ده ما بقر بتاعي ده بقر بابا يو بدفع مال ده في بلد دانجا ده بقر الناس كله so بقر الناس كله ما بزوجي شرموطة بيو بقر الناس ده بزوجي بيت حلال بيت اللي تدر so الرجال لو أتم ما بقسم كده ما جان أنا ما بلقى كده لأنا بقرارات بتاع بيوت بتاعنا from our father we've been taught that حاجة بقولوا مريسة وشرموطة وتنباك ده حاجة ما كويس ده حاجة علمونا أنا في بيوتنا أنا ولا تجنوب السودان ده كله ده بس مريسة وتنباك وشرموطة ده حاجة ما كويس there is a time حاجة بقولوا شرموطة ده بزوجي لك مرة وتمشي تعمل شرموطة في بيت بتاعك شرموطة ده شنو في البيت بتاعي ده ولادة بس Ada batay mo ino mark be 2 hours then I shagal be to company lo ana kan shagal for company be 2 hours da but I but time then I make good money and I got for dar batak be 2 hours to do what to 2 hours then I got for dar batak ana kan amal tun be dar batak da male be de tarer shunu tarer nek who am I trying to show that ana got a neck lo ana got a neck be 2 hours Uzola gardening bes the gig onus dole no yal o ide yal that's more important dole no yal we bet so now it got to give sharma da malta and it got to learn that lazim rajil ne batalada sa just imagine lo it kan rajil wana mara it bening batalada sa lo it kan rajil sajman wana mara it kan bening batalada sa it balga go de min wen it bening kan batalada sa go ita balga guo de min wen guo ita bene kana batalada sa just imagine lo ita kan dam rajil wana yo mara I insist that alele de rajil lazim bene kana batalada sa yeso ma bene batalada sa yeso lo biga rajil lo biga ino mara ma bene batalada sa yela ana balga talada sa de men ma se ba nam jinamal guru batalada sa de so now ita kada nang bas fiye mal bas wallahi rujal jinubin ma kwes wallahi nada ma kwesin we going to Nigeria nana bamchi South Africa nana bamchi when no duma nana ma kwesin du tume ma kwesin malisa nana gadu zo yo nana bukun ma kwesin de the time will come when we will just fuck have babies uma nana ma batwa mal we will not pay dowry kulul we will not pay dowry Lana Zade, we paying mal, Nuzwan to the Rusa Waga. You should pray for God every day. That thank God, Firu Jal the day, Fijinu Sudan, but for mal, Beaja got a little bit of as I loma visitena down, my to Buduk Yal, by Tudur Bragre. As I eat a gardening, my Rajil Bragre, Utudur got to Duk the Loma visitena, no matter what, and oh, Yela Musachfa, 911. 911 we having a second then I'm mailing up in hospital. Now no tudur betagde majitet, physical jurutet, Rujal Gutar. Ramuita. Said man Ramuita, Shermuda Ramu, the foul beggar ma tukun musud. Tukun musud to clap for us. And no said man is there, but for a beggar, the tudur majitet, he should be worshipping us. He should be saying good thing to us. You should be saying good things to South Sudanese men and South Sudanese boy. That we are fucking idiot, not the more and we still pay cow by Aja bigger in Takalas. We still paying cow. Well, we can just go to come and another the more lay lada mo to kuch more as I anabaje maras as bit kawaja. Bit kawaja je mele lu shada kabir fi jam ma bashil ta baba bataw ma bashil tare ba mene baba bataw ma bashil tare ba mene u baba bataw ma faade ba ana ba nikide ata arba kunta bana nono ba wulid yal batar yal jamil woman not black they're not white woman ba jib lab skin hajir yal ajmal la yal fi duna hene de ba zero bagar yal ana gare shakal fi Alaska ana nwerawe ana shakal fi Alaska uniji pi mayut unazul mara nago khalas yela mara de bugul gal la shawde ramaje jalaga mandañ wan rujal batak de ha ana ba shakal fi America ana banaru Baba Kira Bidor this is my friend Baba Kira Bidor zol banaru munu kajanali ana shagal fi Northern home في أستراليا أنا كجانالي مجنون فيل أنا قاعد نضرب جنيس بتاع كواجة to make money أنا قاعد نضرب جنيس بتاع كواجة I clean كواجة zip بتاع كواجة to make money to earn money to earn fashion أنا كجانالي إلا أنا بشيل قروش ده نجي في بور تان مدين بور ونالغالي بتاعنا بنارو كيرسو درو قاعد لبزة ده بتون لون ده قرون ده بقر Then I pay 15 cow, kajol 13 cow, depend on dowry with abur. Lana Gabila, la Gabila, or Kalen is different from Danga. So I am a young field, I pay 30 cow now. La Liwara, second hand woman. ila badal tiji be beta mo jongu fiel to worship mo jongu fiel kul mayo to golle rajul rai thank you lan tara mana ana shamu da jif to be chu tuzuru rai ma chita de ne kulu ana nek mding bor kulu I fuck the entire mding bor lakini tara mana thank you na le jabata yin kul mayom ila da sharmu da gade kulu bu mal dana gilibu dai kasaro mo jong fiel da mara dana mo ndie mo rai be a char ga diar ujuru ga get the fuck out of here anana rujal jinubine anana asan rujal fi dunia. We are the best of the best when it comes to men and women. We are the best of the best. Why? That we still faying cow. Fi Africa kulu ma fi zot but fa daru now fi Africa ma fi ba mali be guruj besit. Just imagine zol what but fa kumsumie beggar and you still talking shit. You still have a mouth to talk, to run your mouth. That's a nuzwanda junubu kulu gade kori fi America kulu. But I chulu gade kori, but I nuer gade kori, but I denga gade kori, but I juba gade kori, mapi mara ma gade kori. Rujale ma kwes, rujale shiramit. Utume shiramit, utume nana yo shiramit. Lodes voice but I know nuzwanda I'm allowed. They are two quest. Ite yo gade nig rujale barra de. And you lie to me that I'm the only man. But it gade nig nas. People nuzwanda junubin zaru gade nig rujal parking lot malda shol mara da rajil be nig rajil tani bi parking lot malda shol das rajil betayin da mishkala mai o gad fi sarir bela ana tarado o gad no bi kursi I don't care about him ila sa gade nig rajil ta gad be tama ba nego fi kursi te tarado u sajman tani gade nig ta fi parking lot Zoldana got a nigga of a parking lot. Work at the break. Line time. For Australia. While I'm speaking now, Fimara got a nigga parking lot marriage in over. Pi Nebraska in it. Pi Kansas City. Pi Sydney. Pi Melbourne. Pi Toronto, Canada. Rajil talk guy to bed was men are going to guy to bed muskin was go latin Mujalo man. None of Mama Junada. Then but the town could do the Shermuda Kabir there. Lo ana mashi fitit mara tane be ganun batana ana buzoi talad nuwan komson nuwan ashar nuwan me and one if I'm capable of feeding them ana buzoi ana got to give mara be give for bed ana ma got to know mara ana got to give mara for bed make them officially my wife then it got to neng makalam nuwan batana got to give for bed o ana ma got to neng makalam rujala got to nigga for fangala gwenjin fio ko sommak mara blit Oman karaba samra junubin baza wa rujal junubin. Anana garuzo shiramid ila shiramid beje bogolena gala nana yoma kwaisin. De munun de hel babi gumaje sharab fi suq kada shu ba ite ze gumaje sharab. Ite ze gumaje sharab. Naz mama bata na zoju man sudur bata wagib de grunda da ngabur. Nada far away. تضر يو قاعد فرجو ومن قال ولد 10 ريال عليه لا ده منو لو ولد في 2026 او 2025 ولد 10 ريال انت ما بقدر يعني انت بقى تعبان خلاص كل ما يوم كرة بتاعك في رازول كل ما يوم كرة بتاعك جداوين ده كم رجال البني كده بورا بقدام بكوش متاعك انت بقى تعبان خلاص انت ما بولد ريال ثاني So now at age 35 in the Guinean yal let a lot of yal kalas ana mother janatane lana rujal maga raba yal no the makalama on it fifa dia tane ta gada kudu fedia da sharma bade te bakore it love my boyfriend zol banaru boyfriend te benik zol banaru boyfriend zol ma mishi la baba batak zol ma bar malta bet chakum te bekisim kuslew ubukura it lisa der zol tane zojek huh boyfriend in it. Official time husband material baji zol. Come on, look at this motherfucker. Wallahi, you are so funny. Manada Nuzwan da Junubin. Ana mother rajil badai shara marisa. Ana mother rajil badai kuna butalla. Ana de rajil badai kun falaje dariyak mashar. Ana de rajil badai kun gawe. Ana de rajil badai kun bottom mataw ma kabir. La na lo bottom mataw kabir. ما بنيغانا ده منو بنيغي ده شرموطة في دول في دول will fleece you في دول will fleece شرموطة لا عالم ده كله chala boton mata kan de ajar ma bani gida la ne ita ma bukun shaban ita jarmoda. So now you making order you got amal order rajil tada rajil kwes rajil ma gari sharaf tumak rajil ma gari sharaf marisa rajil tawil rajil indu degin rajil indu falaja ya uzola gada amal order da agwej bas sajman bas agwej sharmoda gada amal order da zol na galam kulu na junub sudan kulu. Just imagine yo danga bugul gala real ngin they go ahead. They go ahead. Go ahead kabir utum labin yani destroying our image. Fi mal bas gada karaboy sumrana. Ma fi mara junubi kada bugul aje kwez and rajil junubi. Ma fi. That's another ma bani kwez. Ya sharmoda da mun bani gida ita zol gada ni kalam kulu. That's another ma gada raba yal batana really. Really? Another maga raba yal batan sabab another maga raba yal batana lele ma ita barabu tamam. Ma ita barabu tamam gada ni guda for fucking lot. Wana gada fi bet wana gada num bisrir. Daman asa ita torda na gada num fi wen na gada num bi kursi. Zol dana ni guda for fucking lot. O natfa bil. Uno num bit the num bit you fi kursi. ولو انا ماشي فرج مره ثانيه ده خلاص انا شرموطه كبير. سو انا قاعد اتكلم بشرموطه بتاعي شرموطه بتاعي اللي ما في ده لكن بتاع ناس ما بكلم فيه ناس داير اتكلم فيه زول بكوري بعد شويه مجي 911 يلا كذب للبوليس. اصلا الرجال طردوا برا كله ب 911 ولا يبيو جاين. اصلا الرجال كله جنوبين طردوا ببيوت وتم فضل البيوت مع يعل وتم عمل شنو هذا وتم وصل وين وتم وصل وين بعد تيده adu tiyo gado torodu rujale utum fadal ma yal brahum bu joye la zade zol na guita ite biga tabana za ite mainda rajil wonana ma shina e mala nono bomchi le black america nono beji black america anono bomchi le kawaja nono beji kawaja anono bomchi junub sudan no bat fa mal anono bezoy yela ite wen ya le ite gal raba le mun de gal raba le bet bitana de gal raba le bet bitana ide yoda so instead chitima del gari chitimu rujal junubin dari ta kare shil tabiye bata junub. You are out of South Sudan tradition. Shar ite gari lebi de ma shar batak shar de gruj kitir de budget shar al frad de brao de budget ma fi zul bagdaro ma fi rajil bagdaro la shar ya da wasal fi shar bana original be $500 zol gari lebi $500 frad bataw de zol kef بدل قروج ده بعملوا بكودو تاني عشان يعملوا بيزنس بيو قروج ماشي في شعرك كله راجل شغال في بيت قروج ماشي في شعرك كل شهر عندك شهر جديد أصلا قروج ده وصل $1000 البيو شعر فان جديد كنا سو إنت ما ده شعر بتاعك تاني ربنا وداك شعر بتاعك إنت جدا شعر بتاعك برا and you don't want to talk about it now ite wasal be chunu ta ite gar jilul bita biga ammer ite garare go kulmayom be chunu be cream de guru man I must pay for it عشان نبقى راجل كويس لازم نرفع الشعر بتاعك الكثير ونرفع cream that when you can say that I love you. So now I'm paying شعر بتاعك I'm paying جلد بتاعك غارجارو كل ما يوم غارجارو asa ite kala شعر بتاعك بتاع ربنا ite kala jilid bita robona now you move to shunu next bita damande next yom dagal mama bita kan ga libizu alkan malian benyok kan be kaydu bitar zine bas tar zine yo kan ga de kaydu kudu lisik fogo ila nyok bu kun malian fogo de mama bu kudu bishimit ila nyok de benta bishimit na de ite sim next next kan fi nyok asa ite dekal bi next ta na bana adu shunu to barabu Victoria cigarette the next time kada bas de bokuj kuchum kuz brao ila baji bi kalam be na ngem matak ila ngem matak kulu faade da bot fa $1000 hey I'm making my wife go naked and I'm paying for your nakedness عشان رجال تاني يشوف جبارك لأن Bandulo da next da mande alkan ga de kaidu fina sarane ol ga de kaidu meding bur so da de next da de kan bu kun nyok fiu ketir yela ma fi rajil dan de chubu min ma rajil de no mama da de bu kun gefel ni dan da you keep your wife for yourself as I think ma der next de fi next ka wa de job na Victoria cigarette causing a lot of fucking money the man next is ado ata zo la ga da lab ka sai zo ma believe next de ba kadu sagar kadu kuchum da kusba rawa kuchum da kusba da amul kobar ila ino baji be jam bena ngam batak de sagar ke de I'm paying $1,000 $1,500 kut bata 1,000 shar batak o cream batak dan bata next tahane dan no kuj vichunu tahane te biga mo ba kula jata da mande yam da gitu kan gada kul gonja fe bor gonja banaro fiak ala ito mo ba kul tane yam da kan gada kul fe bor yaw do jole wari nyana bor je jo ay fi na gwak it was a good food back then wo kita mama badana fiak da be jebu gribi ne bas fiak al kol me nyangal yam da ke bir de ite be jib kam za de bet ba kul kulu asa ite ma der fiak de ite der junu ite der jada de chicken o chicken and there wala my chicken al gad bizuk chicken al gad bizuk du chimu no you want to go to farm ana da nam jezra can noctul chicken mata da guru tani ajar kulu bigger there fucking expensive yet mama batak der guru baba batak der guru baba batak de bigger haram mama batak kul ma yam bo fi zola yan kul ma yam da fi zola yan baba dia to musajwa mama dia to musajwa baba dia yan mama batak yan ana der guru utum bigger haram kul be bitakum dana barai bas motherfucker, ana shagal via tumal. Ana shagal via tumal to afford all the thing. Ana banaru mo jong feel ana shagal bu musajba ga da gasul. Karabta kawaja ta na biga kabir samin uma budol bra ya shal fu no zungum ana shagal na ana biji kidib le jinu 7 degree ana shagal mal ta kar. And they paying me if I'm lucky $15 an hour. If I'm lucky $20 an hour. Ila jado kula I cannot afford them. Ufi family but I bajai. Uzol mungu nukuna yan. Agwele je by right. Utum not ma kwezin. Utum nuzwanda jinu Sudan you fucked up. You really fucked up. Utum there usuluk de. Usuluk de shien there. Dema rujalo ga de karabu you then is one. But we are afraid what to say it. We are afraid to say it. De kalam yom dag de. Nas kulu tarado rubu na tarad nas bakalam marat. Kalam mara bas kalam if tarado alam de kulu tarado adam ulana yomalela adam maga de neng mara ba malaja no bas kut ila lo no na malaja sagar de jay de jiriba kabe rajil badai just imagine yom da lo de kan adam yo jab ajala wodalo frude jab wodale le if وربنا جاء إيه كانوا يقول لا ده ما أنا ده ما مجيله بتاعي ده مجيله الراجل سوتم بنات جنوب سنة ورجال راجل بتاع قاعد في بيت ده أمسك راجل بتاع كويس let me surprise you let me shock you yeah let me fucking shock you according to scientists it's study الفيها ليلة study الفيها ليلة ده كلام بتاع scientists ما كلام بتاع إزول and you know who the fuck is scientists they are well-educated people. Women بعد مطر بيجي 200 بنزل 200 وما بنزل 200. climate change شنو scientists talking. women بقول شنو؟ من اللي بنو 25 ده دم تقع اللي بنو 26 ده ببدأ عليه اللي بنو 26 4 سنة لقدام لا لا اللي بن و29 ولا اللي بنو 30 10 نسوان بكون مقابل راجل واحد 10 نسوان بكون مقابل راجل واحد. what does that mean؟ راجل بكون very expensive في some country woman will pay دهاوي لراجل مرة بدفع مال بتاع الراجل زي جنوب السودان ده مرة يوم بدفع مال ليه؟ عشان تلقى الراجل ليه؟ لأن الرجال ما في رجال انت شكل اللي فيه كله ده وايامي متيانيور أقول لك أيو أيجي ده الرجال لو قاعد موت The rujal ma fi mara fogo. Number but a rujal decreasing every day. $5. I didn't have the Marine, USA, Navy, or Iraq, they were Taladino. The rujal got a mood for Iraq, or the rujal got a mood for America. Alam Kuluzere. So Alam become Machela Kabira Rujal. Ita bidichulu kita maji bela ta dang ita balga mushaka lefu bela ta dang ita balga zolo bani kita lakin ma balga zolo bazo kita la nafso shatas bata rujale ya fifi kabila danka so lo in the rajula lele amsugu gowe ana 4 years from now lo ita data to god marajil la yom al qiyam ta ma da god bra al ma da ne guta baza jadawo ta bara Rajul al God maga lele am sugu de bed jidada and negotiate kalam bata wata dade gasibing de sebo kalam bata zolta na dak sebo agod marajul bata I bet few mushakal ay mushakal lasal be bed bata mad don't bring third party el machila bata marajul bata lo ite yo kaltan gol rajul bata de kaltan admit gol I'm sorry ما في حاجه احسن في دون then say I'm sorry then بدول يقول انا يو كلتان اسا نزوان دا جنوبنا نله ومن بس رجال يو كلتانين you will never admit that you are عندك مشكله ده راجل بتاعي يو كويس ده راجل بتاعي ما كويس ده راجل بتاعي موندين كنه چاوده جيغه جالغو لا راج yeah the same thing في بلد انور بلد جول رجال ما كويس لان you don't want to admit to your girl bed بمسكو بغلط I ban our family de is I'm wrong. I'm sorry. I'm wrong. I'm sorry. I'm wrong. Bet bam sugu de la your mood. I'm wrong. I'm sorry. I'm wrong. I'm sorry. Lakin lo de zol wide over I'm wrong. Kul mayom rajil over I'm wrong. I'm sorry. Umara ba mal mishkela de benigu de for fucking lot and you don't want to apologize. Take the color my rujal tani pi bet betai and you don't want to apologize. Ma be sorry. Ma fi I'm wrong. Better my bogot. Better but I'm a friend. You will not feel good. With all why I'm wrong. I'm sorry. I'm wrong. You want to hear one side kulmayom bas ana yokaltan. Ana yokaltan. Malech. Ana yokaltan. Zola bugul malech ana yokaltan. Zola but fa bagar zaro. They zola ba wita. So now another got a nick. Another yo got a call with a real. Ayo. We feel it. We enjoy it. Ila baadaye nani yobat fa mal brai badal bagar ksumfunus da lo bozoju anona ba miye bagar komsin bagar la bamjile family brai komsin bagar bamjile family batak lo de shulu ga shara bagar ay komsa bagar bamjile family batai komsa bagar bamjile family bit le lan we sharing everything yalla baktu be isu mutai de isu mutak kaman sek de batana kulu anona yo ga de nik bana we enjoy everything then I pay ana brai I pay wala no gol ba dung lel man moy ke peg ni chega me ba dung lel man moy ke peg anona yo ga de nek pi bet anona ga de kore ayo aru el ga de kore lu ko ba danga when it we got to it I said the illo tamam nek de biga illo anona ga de kore bulu anona kulu adam barchwa baby ja so cute. You introduce the baby to Naath. She's so cute. My baby is so cute. But when it comes to pay, I pay. Sajmana when I do regular, I pay. But I know but for man. Ana but I was over for man by Jadekulo. Ulana, Ana good Yakwana, why am I paying alone? My yale katabu basum without. Yale katabu without, but so I'm paying for the name. I say, Nana good general Banadu Mujok. So I'm paying 100 cow because I'm a joke. Just imagine. How dumb am I? How dumb Rujal that you know win such man in girls. But we live with a Jadekulu, we fair Jadekulu. Yet it's outside the Badam Mushakal Tani. We paying and you complaining. We paying and you complaining. We outside the bigger Bokul, you know, none of my neck. Another about the yal de Jamun when Kusum, Makalat Gule, Yal, God for better my yal, but I don't know about the neck. If I cannot fuck, yeah, I'll let Jabu kef. ya le shikil bitaw de jakef lo ma baare benek no ana baare benek lakini te wasal le sharmata zibita ma kafa ta la ne te ga de ni ku fucking lot pir rujal ga de ni ta maltani instead you will apologize you blaming me just like blaming Riek Machar for killing people in Nasser or Riek Machar kan fi Juba Riek Machar kan fi Juba then the blame Riek Machar for killing people in Nasser Riek Machar what happened get to jail I meant to of Nasser it barabu da jada yo gara malo de so utum no Rwanda Junubu Sudan de it's not longer funny kalamutum gara go commercializing kidif that's no ma kwaisin asa mara umur bataw 40 bigo fada jana umur bataw bas komsar fi Gambela and the rich bakalam rajil bataw gal you want to do some payback that's rajil bataw make you zoj maratane so now you go to gadishil group ta yal to be shil fi Gambela te zoj jana sagar umur ra komsar ile bukura tiji de ko fi live video god Gambela ga god de no the ma god Gambela te yo sajman Chica God Gambela. Y'all God for Gambela, they cannot be better than their father. They yell that Rujal. Jenna de Mawagam and Fok. Jenna de father, but out there, Rajil receive the Dabu, the uncle, but out. You think Ubukun Quest with family, or to receive Rajila Baba without the receive Duba Batak, he let a bumshil the Jenna Sagar. Would a jaw with the gar, be a pal. Utubam ye lejena sagar for Gambela. Ujena da bashil gruide money. Who say the munu believe for doing that will reject money. Mafi love the gruide the jib gruidare. Anona bashil woman bashil gruide belibis gumai quest belibis bantalon quest bamki lim shabab for Gambela inade. They go to eat kaiwet. They go to eat Doropanta Anjara. Uchununa show of tidy nade or not making new land now. People are watching movie. Ala jabo. But they are not in love with you. They cannot be in love with their mother. If not because of money, Mara, don't want to become a mark. The mother, but how? Oh, Shalagorad, my Shalagorad, only the Sar, Shalagorad, Fumur, Yalda, Nerve, Shalag Fumur Raten. Just because Shalagorad or Kuchumuta go without Omar Rajil. Then ito ba jibi fed buta ni buko wala ya shala jetol gar gambela so ma baba bata na rujal I don't know and then you come to conclusion the rujal kulu sawa rujal bada danga rujal bada this is only one thing unite Nuzwan they well unite when it comes to this Nuzwan kulu ajar ba golu jang no ruchulu when it come makela ta rujal la they well unite and they well agree that rujal de kulu sawa. How do you know Rujal Kulu so much and Nick Naskulu? How do you know that I know Kulu so much and Nick do no Kulu? That's how you know. Lana Loita Manik do no Kulu to Barabukula non so kef. I know Rujal Pizol do Zip Kabir, Pizol do Zip Sagar. We make it now, Mara do Zip Sagar, Lomara, Zip the Bajabara. Ela Mara Bashil Tan of Kuduba Gua, Ovi Rujal do Zip Kabir. So how do you know that we all the same? No, we are not the same. But you think we are the same. We are not. You're just a prostitute. Tabasib Rujal, as though you put a jal. You'll look at your son at home. You fucking somebody your son age without Budun Fadi. You fucking someone your son age. It's a guy don't know my wallet. Duba Brajana Batak. Duba ta wallet Batak. What kind of mother are you? What kind of mother are you will do this for Junuba Sudan? Yeah, to community of South Sudanese will do that. What kind of tradition will support this? Entire Africa, what kind of tradition but a black man will support this? That you will slave my boy, your son H. What will you tell your son? What will you tell your son? You will just play with your friend. Their friend, but out of playground. And you think why Rujal got injury? You don't know why Rujal le woman got injury. Why they going back to background bellet the shan woman is over bellet ubide kudu fi bellet na na mai give fi America mai give fi Canada mai give when na na yam da de anana ma zo Rujal nuzwana be give fi America shan woman kun chiramit. We married wives and we came to USA and Canada, Australia with our wives, not expecting a jet sharma bade fi fucking lot. And now you want to send another kulu ay mikila sagara de bidi le police. Mushakal da America bakalam police. Lakin mushakal batan we are tradition people. We talk. If we cannot talk, we involve family. But now you are involving police. Aya de sagara police 911. 911 da malu le junubit. Who told you that 911 da malu le South Sudanese? Now you living your life based on 911. Threat. And you know, Junubine Rujalama Garamalo threat. When you threat them with 911, they will leave you my yal de kuluko, some kum Bamji Junubran, Bamji Zoj, Bamji Alaska, Bamji Shakal Alaska, 12 hours, 16 hours, they call them Mubala Bubatam, they will Guru, they Bamji Zoj, bit Fishewa one up. Now, I'm tired of Fishewa now, they be Murana better. They're the country school, we go now fucking school, it's a Mara. There's one that makes kulu become loud kulu a great kulu. The bogot we bed in it, and about for mal, but I'm a jib I to bogot in it. Ilan of a jib, Shabab Tani, we jump bed now go raga bid. Lom and she was telephone the Rajil down the Talodino. That's why now people are going back home to get married. Like attitude, but I'm going to America or Canada or Australia because too much. You are kicking people out. As for summertime, because now you're good. You're good now for summertime. Like when come to winter time, share white. Bird bigger kabir there. Zole kalam madam I ma fi akil lele. Fanamur akil but dinner ma it a big akil limiten. Min da rajil there kalam there. The wall get out of here. Dol tarabu bara there. Budun jism buduna ya fiz now. Yela 911 follow by 911. Zole gafi is now share white. There mood. Yellow police buddy now there, madam, what happened? Well, he tried to rape me. Oh, he's abusing me physically, mentally, emotionally. Yellow police, well, get the fuck out of here. Tyler's all like that. Well, I go, my guy, no, shut up. Go. Then follow about order protection. Order protection from Makama. Well, I rajile, garamale abuse. I've been dealing with this for many years. Yela Sajmanin Kawajade, Bajibe, Mandila Tani, Maltani, Gulu Madam, I take this, sorry, madam, sorry, madam. What a kid of Kulu? They kid of Kulu, sorry, madam. We saw that this happened to you. This will never happen again. We will make sure that this will never happen again. Kawaja Dekal Fial Mobarum is one that you know Kadabin. So now it is Toros Rajilek. ترى ضجات كله تفضل ببيت مع تلفون انا ترى now it ترى الراجل بتاعك في 2019 ولاد يوم الليله ناغوي تا وما يدك راجل ببيت بنيغوي تا كده زول بزوج بكره بنيغوي تا كده زول بزوج اصلا نزوان بقى شراميز بيال في بيوت ونيال بتاعهم بقى شراميز كمان ومن قاعد يكور بجاي لا بوي فريند وده قاعد يكور لا راجل ده بوي فريند. Thank you guys.